डॉक्टर साहब कृपया इंजेक्शन धीरे से दें।
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how I prepared a 3% hypertonic saline solution using the correct pharmaceutical calculation and aseptic technique. 3% hypertonic saline is a high concentration sodium chloride solution, commonly used in hospitals for specific medical conditions, such as severe hyponatremia and increased intracranial pressure. Let's get started.
पकड़ की लगा क्या बात करूं